but the courage to defy stereotypes. Yes, she started her career, the service to the nation, as a young little girl at age of 22, facing all the initial hesitation and numerous challenges. But she rose to prominence, breaking all the barriers and paving a way for others to follow. What sets her apart is her resolve commitment to women empowerment. As we all know, the adversity and social norms against women, but she stand against all that and stood tall and advocated the development for the development of women. So her work, her dedication, determination for this cause has given her so many admirations, especially from the towns of Bidar and Chikmagalur. So let us today use this opportunity not only to honor her, but take and learn from her achievements and insights. So let us have a small AV on ma'am. Lakshmi.
Strive to build a brighter, more equitable future for all.
Let's give a big round of applause. all the limited sources, we have tried something, ma'am. Hope you liked it. So I would like to invite Ratnaprabha Garu onto the dais for an enriching interactive session.
Andhra, Telangana, and Karnataka. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Thanks to the Academy for inviting me here today. It really gives me a great pleasure to share my thoughts with the youngsters and aspirants who are appearing for the civil services. Maybe 43, 44 years back, I was also like one of you attending the one and only study circle which was there in 78, 79, which was Rao's study circle. And from then onwards, so many have come, and I see this whole area flooded with the study circles and also aspirants. And very interesting to know that so many women and also girls and boys from backward areas are coming into the services and also trying to aspiring for the services, which is a very interesting and a good trend to see people from remote areas getting into the services. Now, there's so much one can talk. I really don't know what you students are looking at. So if you can tell me, I can speak on that rather than speaking something very general, because already you've gone through so many classes and sessions. Can anyone tell me what could be the direction of my sharing of thoughts with you? What would you like me to talk about?
Talk about your life experiences and how to prepare for UPSC.
Okay. Anyway, talking about how to prepare for the civil services, I think you are in the right institution. People are guiding you. But I would like to just share some of my own ways and process of preparation. A study circle, I think, is very good because it puts you on the right path, and it also saves a lot of your time in searching for material or looking at what you need to study, or it also puts you into the right direction as to which path you need to take while preparing. But at the same time, you need to do your own little bit of preparation. So what I used to do is whatever has been taught in the study circle, I used to go home and I used to that and also prepare more on what they have taught us. Because anyway, your ways of examination is different. You have a very tough prelim, you have negative marking and all that. We didn't have that, so it was easier for us to guess, what we didn't know. But here, it's very, very important that you are very clear in your thought, very, very clear and very, very specific, because most of the questions which come in the prelims are very close to each other. So every answer looks to be right. So you need to answer what is most right. And if you want to know what is most right, then you have to on every aspect of what you're preparing. At the same time, add something more to it. Say, for example, today they taught you something and talk about history. Suppose they taught you something on, say, Ashoka. So whatever has been taught, you make notes of it. Then you also read one or two other books and try to add on what notes have been supplied to you or given to you. So that will give you one, edge more than the others when you prepare for the examination. So I think prelims is something which is very, very tough nowadays, because I hear of very interesting stories that people have pass the general studies, but they're not able to clear the, aptitude, because the maths was very tough or the English was very tough. So it's very, very difficult. I think that's the breaking point. One need to get out of the prelims. And I am told that many of the study circles have taken up with the UPSC and also with the DOPT, that the English papers and the whatever your maths and all that is very tough, and they need to review it. And I'm sure that they are reviewing it. So in days to come, I hope that all of you will find the prelims first paper very. Is it first paper? The very, it will be easier, because I am told that yesterday also I was discussing with somebody that DOPT is reviewing the the mode of question papers, which are very, very tough for people who come from rural backgrounds, non-maths background. So they want to sort of neutralize it and naturalize it so that everybody could clear. Coming to the mains is also very, very interesting, very important, because every study circle, everywhere, notes are given. Anyway, you read the notes. But what the examiner is looking at is how you can analyze